Welcome to your tour of 9450 West Quail Avenue in Peoria, Arizona. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a huge bonus room. Let's go in and take a look. As you can see, there's a lot of parking space. There's also a 2-car garage. Just as you enter, you will see there is tile plank flooring and custom paint all throughout. This kitchen features an island, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry. As you walk down the hall, to your left is the coat closet. Going into the right, you'll see the large primary bedroom. Has a great view of the backyard. Along with the spacious primary bedroom, check this bathroom out. Nice sized tub, separate shower, and look at this closet. I don't think you're able to see from here, but it is pretty big. Lots of space to hang everything up. All right, here's another view of your large size vanity and mirror. Okay, let's continue the tour. Walking down this second hallway. To the left is the guest bathroom. Has a tub and a shower. There is your vanity. Just across from the bathroom is one of the bedrooms. Some nice shutters set up for you already. Here's another view for you. You can see brand new carpet in all of the bedrooms. Just across the hallway is another bedroom. It's a nice size closet. You can see brand new carpet as well. Here is the oversized laundry room. It has the washer and dryer in the unit. Through this bonus room is the 2-car garage, entry and exit. Here's just another view, so it gives you kind of an idea how much space there is in here. We will wrap this tour up with the oversized backyard. As you can see, it is desert landscaping, very easy to maintain. If you are interested in touring this home or applying for it, please visit our website, rpmphoenixvalley.com.